Greetings from the Fineness Institute of Clinical Research. Today we'll be discussing myth versus fact in medical writing. So firstly, we'll see what is the first myth regarding medical writing. So first, we have another video on what is medical writing, and I'll share the link in the description box below. So medical writing is the myth that surrounds the first and foremost myth that we have come across medical writing is that medical writing is only for doctors or healthcare professionals. While on the contrary, medical writing can be would be an advantage. Anyone with a strong understanding of scientific concepts, good medical writing, and the ability to research and interpret medical information can pursue a career in medical writing. The next myth surrounding it is that medical writing is purely technical and devoid of creativity. On the contrary, medical writing requires a balance between technical accuracy and clear, concise communication. While the emphasis is on conveying scientific information accurately, there is still room for creativity in the presence the complex concepts in an engaging and an understanding manner. So you have to be creative. You have to have an open mind to analyze the data, make changes in the document. And when we talk about clinical trials, medical writing is also involved writing documentations. So it is a very strenuous process, and the constant amendments and the versions and everything has to be in a proper manner. And the next myth that surrounds medical writing is medical writing have to be experts in all medical fields. That cannot practically be possible. So medical writers may specialize in specific therapeutic area or medical discipline, but they cannot be expected to be experts in all area. Good medical writers have the ability to research and understand new topics quickly and work with subject matter experts effectively, communicate complex information. The fourth myth that surrounds medical writing is medical writers only write research papers and journal articles. Like I said earlier, so medical writers are involved in a wide range of writing tasks beyond research papers, including regulatory documents. That is the document that is submitted to the regulatory authority. In India, we have CDSCO. US is FDA, Europe is AMA, and so on. Every country have their own regulatory authority. So clinical trial protocols, that is the most important document. It tells you about how to do clinical trials, patient education and material, informed consent forms, advertisements, medical marketing content, scientific reviews, and clinical study reports. That is the report submitted after you complete a clinical trial. The field of medical writing offers diverse opportunities. You can be involved in many domains. You can work with the sponsor, the pharma companies, and non-profits and CROs. So you can work in many domains. And apart from, since we are Fineness Institute of Clinical Research, so we'll be more focused. When we talk about the medical writing, we are more focused on medical writers that do document preparation, as well as journals and research papers. Obviously, after the clinical trial is complete, publications happen to disseminate the information that was collected in a clinical trial, and that is also involved. So the next myth surrounding medical writing is medical writing is a solitary profession with minimum collaboration. While medical writers often work independently, so collaboration is a crucial aspect of this profession. They frequently collaborate with healthcare professionals, researchers, statisticians, regulatory experts, and other stakeholders to ensure accurate and comprehensive medical communication. So statistician is involved for statistical analysis, and when you submit a documentation, any errors or any changes is required, it has to be approved. And so a lot of people are involved in the medical writing collaboration, and it is a collaborative effort. The next myth surrounding medical writing is medical writer just summarize information from scientific study. On the contrary, while medical writers do summarize information from scientific studies, their role goes beyond mere summarization. They analyze and interpret data, critically evaluate scientific literature, synthesize complex information, and present it in a clear and concise, tailored to the target audience. The next myth surrounding medical writing is anybody can be a medical writer without proper training and education. While it's possible to enter the field without formal training, having a relevant educational background, such as a lifestyle degree, can provide a solid foundation. And yes, pharma and doctors have an advantage since their core is medical diseases and interpretation of data. So additionally, professional you can develop your skill through courses, workshops, and certification, and can enhance your skill and credibility. Thank you for listening, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. 80% of our viewers haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, so request whenever you like a video, do subscribe. It motivates us to bring in much better content. And of course, like us on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, and we regularly post pre-job updates and informative articles that will definitely be helpful for you to enter the field of clinical research and medical writing. We also offer diploma courses, and if you have any diploma course or webinar related queries, you can contact us. Visit our website, that is www.finenessinstitute.com, or email us at admin@finenessinstitute.com. Thank you for listening. Have a great day and see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.